folks, welcome or welcome back. This is Say with Rose. Every time I push record, I see stuff on the desk. Anyway, I hope everyone had an awesome weekend. I am actually recording this late Saturday. Yeah, I am so far behind, guys. But yesterday, instead of filming like I was going to, I have got to do my Build-A-Bank stuff. I'm gonna show you what I was doing. This is what I was doing. Y'all see that? Yes, I set up my Build-A-Bank stuff yesterday, and I was like, "Ooh, I need my prop money." And I went to look for my regular prop money, and that's a whole story, but I ended up doing all of the Build-A-Bank prop money and the printing and the laminating and the cutting, and then I went to bed. So we're gonna squish a lot of stuff into this video. And it's gonna be a long one. All right, so let's count the money first. Oh, wait a minute. I just washed my hands. And, yeah. Gotta do this. Gotta do it. So I ended up doing a printing, laminating, cutting extravaganza into early this morning. 20, 25, 30, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48. All right, now I do have this broke down on how I want it done. What did I do with my daggone? I had it right there. Where'd it go? Oh, okay. So I have it broke down how I want, but I want to do my Panda roll call first. So that is going to affect how we're doing, okay? I did take that back out of my safe. So let us shuffle. We're going to see what die we are rolling and get to it. That's a lot of talking, y'all. It's fine. But I laminated all kinds of stuff. I have 4 orders. I laminated and cut. Really, a D4? I was just busy. I had my music on and I started it, and yeah. So that's what happened. I got so busy prepping that the video didn't get recorded. All right, we got a 3, so we're gonna put 3 in here today. And what circle is that? This one. Yeah. We're out of circles. I think I'm gonna take this one, put this one in the back, because we did, yeah, I think that's what I'm gonna do. Oh, you know what? I rolled a 3, but I wrote a 4. So we're gonna put 4 in there. Oh, okay. You want a 4, we're gonna give you a 4. All right, and just so I know, we're gonna stick this on this side. Okay, so we are taking 4 out of the Build-A-Bank. 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, there we go. Now, I did not put my numbers on here. But I'm pretty much doing the same thing this month, so I'm gonna go off of this. I'm gonna do this off camera. Yeah, because I want to switch around the stickers and rewrite everything. I rewrite on the back of the last month, and then I'll set up. I promise I will. I'm gonna set it up. So for now, this is done. All right, so we had 20 for Build-A-Bank. Now we have 18. So I think I'm gonna need some change. Let's see. Let's do there's 2 5s and a 10. I think that'll work. Yeah. Okay. So for Build-A-Bank, we are doing 18. Let me fix my little wait a minute. Nope, not 18, 16. Because I had 20 going in. We put 4 in Panda Roll Call. Ooh-wee. So let's do that, 16. Okay, so this goes, which one is it? It's my purple. All right, my Build-A-Bank. I redid all of my balance sheets. And where's my pen? So today is the 8th, and we're adding 16. Yeah, 16. And I know I hardly ever pull this thing out, mainly because most of the time it's a mess. Yeah. That's just all it is. So I have it nice and pretty, so I will be bringing it out. All right, we are going to do Build-A-Bank, and then we're doing let's do this. Yeah, we're going to get it all done today. Where's it at? Date night is getting 15. Let's go ahead and get all this out the way. All right, 11/8. And these are, I restarted it for November, and we haven't done date night yet this month. All right, Tinies with coins. No, we're not gonna do that today. 2, 3. We're not doing Tinies with coins today. We are doing Shut the Box, 2, 3, 4. We're doing 5. Not Shut the Box, Shut the Fridge. Yes. Doing 5. Yeah, told you we got things to do. 8. And I'm gonna swap this for the 5. There we go. All right, and then we are, I think I'm gonna put that in here. We're gonna do my November challenge from the 365. that I just released. We're just gonna do $3. Yeah, I'm gonna put it in my Q4 binder, so that's where that goes. And I think I'm gonna put sorry, I know I'm shaking you. It may get its own, but right now I'm just gonna put 365 beside that in case I want to move it. All right. There we go. Okay. So we can put this away. All our money is in there. And I'm gonna mark my list of what I wanted to do. All right, let's go. First, we are gonna do this. I gave everybody this as a freebie on Ko-Fi, but I need to put these, give these to my members at least. These are the new dashboards that I made for the savings challenge. And I think instead of checking off the months, I'm gonna put how much I saved with each month savings challenge. Yeah. So you can do the purple or the pink. Okay. This is already up on Etsy with the original dashboard and the calendar setup, as well as November and December. And then December, I'll put 2 more months up, and I'm gonna do it that way. Every month, I will add 2 more months. So by June, unless I get them done before then, you'll have the whole 12 months, okay? But you'll get 2 months released every month. All right, so let us, I think what I want to do is, here, squish it in here a little bit. Oh, wrong way. There we go. Just a little bit more. Let's do, the ribbons are 5, the stars are 2. And I'm doing quarters. Y'all know that. Dimes are quarters. So we are doing, we're just gonna do 1. Do the hearts 1. And then for these icons, let's do 1 and 2, not make it complicated. And then the little turkey over here, he's got a 5 on him. Okay? So we got $3 to put in there today. And I'm not going to do my prop. I put the money in there in my, what's that thing? Oh my goodness. My bank binder. Oh my gosh. Yes. So we're gonna do, let's start with the turkey. Yeah, we're gonna check him off. I don't know why I picked a color pencil. So that's 5, okay? And then we'll do five, 6, 7, and then we'll do heart. That's 8. we're doing quarters, that's $2. Let me put that up here, because y'all know I forget. Okay. So that's $2. And then we'll do, let's knock out some of the hearts. And they are 1, so 1, 2, 3, 4. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Quarters. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's $3. You know I'm about to try to erase it. I wonder if you can erase colored pencil. Nope. That's fine. I'll just do like that. So I know next time I have to pay that. Okay. So there is our November. This is the dashboard that I'm going to be using, of course, because it's purple. All right, see if I can move you guys out without without causing problems. I think I'm good. Yeah, that's good. All right, Build-A-Bank is going to be real easy. That's why I'm going to go ahead and do this. We got some making up to do. Yes. Our little staff meetings, I didn't attend any of them. I did not. So we're going to see what we can get done. I don't even know how to do these things. I'm not going back here to mark off, or should I? I don't even know what tills those are. You know what? That's part about disc bound anything. And y'all, I'm having problems because I have like 3 different products on here. Okay. Otherwise it'd be fine. Let's do the tills. If I have the tills, because I know. Oh, okay. Nope, that's not it. Till number 10. Okay. So, what did I say? 16? We got $16. Where's my calculator? Oh my gosh. Right beside me. All right. I'm not going to mark these off, but I don't remember how much I made them, so it's the only reason I'm turning here. We are going to just pay it. So our till 10 is $1. Yeah. So that's 2. And what is this? What is it? What is it? Oh, I think it's the discs I have on here. I thought it looked cute, but I think they're messing with my flipping abilities. I don't think I have that one. Nope, I think I finished that one. Yeah, I'm not putting it all in there again. So we're gonna pay for $1 each. Okay, our customers. Let's see what we got for these. Too happy. All right, we have the bunny. I don't think that's a happy customer. Why is that in there? Ooh. I done messed up my little customers. That is not a happy customer. I gotta fix that. Anyway, we have the bunny. And these are $2. So plus 2. All right, we're up to 6. I'm not marking these off. And then we have all right, and the way we were determining this is even was $1, odd was 50 cents, I think. Okay, of course it's $1. Okay, so that's another $1. All right, angry customers. I don't have this one. I know I don't have that one because that's the new one. Yeah, that's the new one. All right, these are $1 for the squirrel. All right, we're up to $8. And I think we're just gonna roll for him. Oh, wait a minute. No, there it is. Never mind. All right. Even $1. 5. I think I broke my thing. All right. So that's odd. So that is 50 cents per icon is what I'm doing. So we are going to shoot. Now I kind of want to knock them out. All right. Plus, we're at 9. Okay. And I think I will. Yeah. 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. Icons. Okay. So $9. Now, department. We have not done the departments before. Correction. During the 90 days locked in, we didn't do situations or departments. Investments. We have 4 icons. We have them as $2. So 2, 4, 6, 8 plus 8. Yeah, we are over $1. So somebody gonna lose $1. That's 17. That's $17. Uh-oh. And I'm gonna go back and mark these off. Yeah. You know what? I'm gonna just take one from the tinies that we're not doing today. So we are doing $17 for Build-A-Bank. We'll put that back in there in a minute. It's kind of why I like to fill out the bank binder after I'm done. But, you know, sometimes I forget to do it. So I was like, let's do it first. And then, yeah, it didn't work out that well. Yeah, this one goes here. Do I have 2? Let's see. No, I was just playing it wherever it was at. Okay. All right, you're where you're supposed to be now. So we are going to work on these staff meetings for November. Hopefully after that, we can just move on. Okay. Come on. Yeah, I'm gonna have to fix these discs because they on my nerves. I thought they were the same size, but they're not. Lord, I think I'm gonna take these out. Take the gold ones out and leave the black ones. Anyway, all right. bank binder. We need 17 for our staff meetings. So 15, 16, 17. Okay. Yeah, I'm gonna use that prop money. That prop money took me out yesterday. Not that I had to have it, but I got started on it and, you know, I had to do it. All right, so I'm gonna stick this to the side so I don't forget. I have talked a lot today already. All right. We are going to do date night real quick. And this is from She's Got It. And if you did not know, Build-A-Bank is Income Babes, Miss GB. Okay. We have, this is Miss Maria's date night. It does come with cards. We are not doing the cards. Let's see. I'm trying to move stuff out of the way as I use it. Okay. We have 15 for in here. So I think we're just going to mark out that 15. Okay. We've been doing this for a couple months, but I only do one icon each time I bring this out. So we have one more and then one more section. And this does hold prop money, so put that 15 in there. All right. That is good. All right. We have Shut the Fridge. This is from Mish Money. She will be linked below. And we are doing, we're doing $5, but we're doing quarters. And no, this is not $5 in quarters. So 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 2, 3, 4. All right. 1, 2, 3. Maybe I should have waited until tomorrow to do this. I don't seem to be able to count. 1, 2, 3. We're going to use this non-laminated 4 and 5. Okay, there. We did it. All right. What I want to do this time, I just feel so weird on that side, is we have 8 sections. Okay. This is just the dashboard. This is where I would keep the money if that's what I was doing. Is this an 8-sided? Yeah. So we're going to do an 8-sided and a 4. The 8 is where I'm going to go. The 4 is how many quarters it's going to get. Okay. All right. We're going to number 2, and it's getting 1. Okay. 5 and 4. Cool. 2, 3, and 4. 6 and 3. I like it this way. 3 and 1. Okay. 5 and another 4. 2, 3, and 4. 7 and 2. Okay. This feels like a mess. Why? All right, 1 and 1. Man, the front is not getting anything. Get 1, get 2. 7 and 4. Let's see. That's our last 4. That worked out perfect. All right. Let's see. See what we got going on. All right, section 1. We haven't done anything in here. We only got 1. I'm just gonna mark off one of these sets of ice cubes. Let's do a, whatever this color is. Okay. We're just gonna mark off the 1. Put our little quarter in there. All right. Section 2. Only got 1. We're gonna do, instead of a roll and save, let's make these 1. Yeah, that'll give us 1s. Yeah. There we go. Mish money. I love all of these. All right, section 3. Okay. We have coffee and dessert. We only got 1 in this one. So we're just gonna mark off. This is supposed to be a Plinko type of deal here. So let's do, we're gonna do the icons. 1, 2, 1, 2. Okay. And then we'll do the Plinko next time. And then this section is for roll and save. Or choose an amount. All right. We got 1/4 in there. Get in there. All right, section 4. Ooh, we didn't get anything, but it's in the cute. Yes. This color and save. Choose an amount or roll a die. Yeah. Okay. All right, next time you'll get some money. Okay. Number 5. All right, it got a lot. 1, 2, 3, 4. Got $2. I think I have, yes, I do have that. I don't have any $1 prop, but we have some 2. So let's do, do we have any, Oh yeah, we can do that. So the oranges are 75, and so are the dragon fruit. So we can do, let's do some dragon fruit. And this last kiwi, that's $1. And this is roll and save or shut the box. I think we're gonna do 2 shut the box, 2 mark off. So let's do 75 there, and then we'll do this one over here. So that's the $2. Yeah. Super cute. I haven't had a dragon fruit in a long time. But to be fair, the last one I had, it didn't taste like anything, and that's not what I'm used to. All right, section 6 got 3 quarters. What are we doing? Let's do same thing we did on the other one. This is a shut the box, but I'm gonna use these 2 bottom ones as mark offs. So I'm gonna do a 3. Yeah, I know I've had y'all here for quite a bit today already, so but I want to make sure I hit my weekly, my stuff. All right, section 7. Got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6 spots. Let's do the Drinko, her version of Plinko. Let's see what we get this time. Okay. How does that look? Upside down. Lord. All right, let's go. 3. Just use my finger. 4. 1. 3. 4. All right, so we got 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. All right, I'm not gonna mark that off. I am gonna mark this off. We're gonna make all of these 1. So I'm gonna mark that, and then I'm gonna just put a dot by the 5. All right, I will switch these out once I clean. I just cleaned out binders. I don't know where the rest of it is, where the rest of my prop money is. I must have put some binders up. All right, section 8 didn't get anything. This is our peanut butter jelly time. Yes, we almost finished that one. All right. So, that's all we got. Yeah. That was our shut the fridge, our date night, our Build-A-Bank, and our November challenge. Yeah, I think we're good. Tomorrow, we are doing Cherrylicious Sunday, and I think I'm gonna throw the tinies with coins in there so I can be back up to date on my schedule. I'm trying to make it right. I feel like I'm missing something, but it's been long enough. Again, thank y'all so much for hanging out with me. And I do apologize for no video yesterday. And I know this one is going up late, so until tomorrow. All right, have a good evening. Bye.